Hello friends, I am Pawan Mittal, working as a lead developer in Adobe. Today in this video I am going to showcase how to integrate Adobe Experience Manager with Adobe Target via Launch. After completing this video, you will be able to create an activity in Adobe Target, a property in Adobe Launch, and data element and rules, and configure and build the library for different environments, and create a launch configuration for development, and then target AEM Site page and display the targeted content to the end users. We will validate this integration through a demo. For reference, how you can use Adobe Target and Adobe Launch and AEM together, you can refer this documentation which is available and see how you can create launch specific property, extensions and rules. Similarly, I have created for my demo. There is another public demo documentation where it explains other integrations of Experience Cloud solutions as well. So that is really good and you can learn many other technical things. In Adobe Launch, I have created a property. This is a web property. Similarly, you can also create for your project or demo. Once you create a web property, then you can search for extensions. So I have searched Adobe Target, then you will find it and you can install. There are many others available in the catalog, but for this demo I am going to showcase Adobe Target integration with Launch, so you can go and install it. Okay, and once you install and configure Target extension, then you can create a rule and give any name, and you need to configure the event, and the event will be under core extensions, which comes out of the box with every property, the core extension. Under the core extension you can select the event type, page top, under page load event. Similarly, once this event is fired, you can load Adobe Target library. Then you need to fire all the calls to Adobe Global Inbox. There are other options, but we will select fire Global Inbox. Once this is done, then under publishing, you can create a new library or use the existing one. So I have just created and given any name. For the changes that you want, you can create your own library. Maybe if it is only for Adobe Target, you can create, build and select the environment. So I'm just for demo, I am using development environment, so I can edit and build. So for example, in your case, once you will do and create, then you need to click on add all changed resources. Once you click, then it will find all the changes. Then click on save and build for development. For I have done it already, so I will not do it, but similarly you can do it as well for yourself. Once this is done, then coming back to environments, as I have built it for development, I can go and click on install and copy script tag, which I need to place in head tag of my page component. This is my head. So I am using v6.4 site for reference. This is head.html. There I can go and replace. So this is the same script that I have used on my site. Once this is done, you can add. Then under Adobe Target, now you can create audiences. So for this demo, I am going to showcase a journey. If user comes from mountains page to the home page, then the mountains banner will change for him for hiking or trekking. So this is the audience that I created, which says that previous URL contains mountains, which means my previous page was containing mountains, and now if I am coming from that page to another page, then that page will contain a targeted banner, a personalized banner. And using that audience, I have this my environment up and running. This is my publish environment where I have configured my audience mountains, which, for example, this is my live. This activity is live. Once you create, it will be in inactive state. Then you have to go and select and make it live after configuring all the audiences. I have configured that page. This is my site. Same site I have configured it. This is default offer for every visitor, and for the users those are coming from mountains page, I have targeted this with different banner. Once this is done, this is my home page. I can go back and click on open page. So this is my current page. If I go back, it means my audience will be resolved because my previous page will be mountains. If I go back to home page, so my previous, if you see, my banner is changed. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Now coming back to our learning objectives. So now we were able to successfully target AEM site using Adobe Target and Launch, and we were able to create a rule in Adobe Launch and configure Adobe Target, able to validate using a live demo. Thank you guys. Let us know your feedback. Let me know your feedback and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.